When you look from outside, all you see is videos and shows. Yeah, but there's more to my life than people could ever know. Sometimes I gotta smile when I don't feel like smiling. Sit back in my eyes when I feel like driving. Nobody understands but you, girl.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
A perfect combination of class and modern touch goes in the details of their product. Wooden materials exceptionally crafted to suit the taste of different enthusiasts. Indoor or outdoor, its style can never go outdated. This year's best branded and designed indoor-outdoor concept of the year goes to merged and combined into one are all into this product. The birth of this product is the answer to people who tend to view white as pure and beautiful. Cosmetics and pharmaceutical elements rolled into one. This year's cosmeceutical brand of the year goes to I don't wish to be white, but thank you because I have that award. Anyway, that concludes our first batch of awards. Thank you very much to the Philippine Fashion Awards Council and to Councilor Bernadette Herrera D for assisting us in presenting the awards. We would like to recap the awardees for the first segment of our award. So, Shirley Lily Cruz School of Ballet is the ballet school distinguished for consistently giving pride and honor for the Philippines by winning gold and several first prizes in international competitions. For the past 6 years, the school is awarded as the most outstanding ballet school in Asia, and last October 12, they received the award as the most outstanding ballet school in Asia Pacific. On December 2, they will receive the Global Excellence Award in Bangkok, Thailand as Asia's most outstanding ballet school. The school's multi-awarded artistic director, Shirley Lily Cruz, was conferred the 2005 Pagangan ng Bayan Hall of Fame Award and the 2005 Aliw Award in the field of culture and arts. And recently, she was awarded by our President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo as one of the great Filipino achiever for being a consistent international awardee. The young ballet dancers of the Shirley Lily Cruz School of Ballet have successfully represented the Philippines in international festivals and international competitions in Australia, Hong Kong, Japan, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Singapore, and Beijing, China, Brunei, and New York. Ladies and gentlemen, the ballet dancers of the Shirley Lily Cruz School of Ballet. Let us all welcome Glenn and Gabby in a neoclassical interpretation of a famous love song entitled, Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin.